simple. I tell them take it slow. I feed it water and ideas, so I let it grow. I tell them take it easy. They laugh and tell me no. It's cool, but I don't see them laughing at my money though. They spitting facts at me. I'm spitting.
Good evening, sir. It's 5:34 p.m. Good to see you again. How may I help you?
Good morning, Friday.
A warm morning, sir. How are you?
Fine.
It's good to know that you're fine.
Is there any notification or something?
No, sir. It seems you are up to date.
Turn on lights.
Turning on light, sir.
Open Notepad.
Opening notepad, sir.
Open command prompt.
Opening command prompt, sir.
Friday.
Yes, sir. What can I do for you?
Play criminal.
Yes, sure, sir.
Where am I?
Let me find, sir. I guess, sir, we are in Lucknow City Inn. Should I find more details?
No. What time it is?
Sir, it's 5:40 p.m.
Calculate sine 30 degree.
The answer is 1/2.